Let's go. Captain, this is for you. Sweet dreams of you. Every night I go through. Magkaraan, may tang tawo na.
Akala makantahin na.
Why can't I forget you and start my life anew instead of having sweet dreams about you? You
Sa Canada, isa ka
don't
na.
love me, it's plain. I should know I'll never wear your ring. Oh, thank you so much.
Rizia, jump up.
I should hate you
Bago umalis tong ano.
the whole night
Halika na. Bilisan mo.
instead of having sweet dreams about you.
Welcome to heaven. Thanks for coming.
Sweet dreams
Request in the
of
box,
you.
everyone.
Things I know can't come true. Nalingwa, biya ko na rin. Pagbiyo, biya na
Para sa brief.
Forget the past. Start loving someone new. Instead of having sweet dreams about you.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Dream.
everyone.
Kuya Alvin. Dream.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah,
Kuya
because of
Alvin.
Captain, I knew that song.
Hello.
It's your turn.
Hi, Kuya
Alvin. Siya na, si Kuya Alvin. It's your turn.
Okay.
Kuya Alvin. Okay. Whenever you're ready, let's go, Sago.
Hi, Miles.
Miles, welcome to the Mongoland.
Sorry. Love, fighting in you. I'm a bird, respecting you. In love, life's sweetest reward. Let it flow, it goes back to you. The love boat soon we'll be making another run. The love boat promising something for everyone. Take a course for adventure for mine on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. It's love. It's love. It's love. murderer, the lover. Promise is something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your man on a new romance. Yeah, love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. It's a love. It's a love. It's a love boat. It's a love boat. It's a love boat. It's a love boat. It's a love. It's a love boat. Thank you.
Woo! Yo guys,
Kuya
don't forget to
Alvin.
subscribe and follow me. Follow you. No, just kidding.
Salamat sa
Don't
inyo.
forget to favorite everyone in the box, guys.
Yes,
Most especially to those 3 persons. Peoples. S.
With us.
With
us.
In the bottom of me.
Miles, good evening from
Hello.
Philippines. How are you?
I'm good. You're
It's
good?
okay to favorite me even if I don't favorite you, and I thank you. Please welcome it. Yo! Welcome and free to enter but not to exit. And now
No
the
way
next
out.
performer goes to the heartthrob of the app.
Miles.
Miles.
Let's go, Miles.
Funny.
Super gwapo ni Miles, no? Ay, girls, behave kayo.
Behave ang mga tinggil, guys.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. So old world is a new world, is a bold world for me. Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Send out to find. You know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. For me, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I feel so good.
Thank you.
5G Miles!
Thank you,
This is
Miles! Oh my
first time for that
gosh.
song. First time.
New world.
I heard that from him. My
Don't
goodness.
forget to favorite everyone
amazing.
aside from me,
Thank
because
Yes,
you're not
please
going to learn
fave
good.
Miles, everybody. And,
And thank
yeah.
you very much. And
Ah,
please
thank you.
welcome the
Naglalag na
not
naman
so
si Madam.
newbie, not so newbie but expert. Grazaya! And I thank you.
Rizay, asan ba si Ate Siti? Ate Siti, mag-up ka. Miles,
Miles,
thank you
thank
so
you.
much. Appreciate you.
Not so
Alright.
newbie but expert.
Aha, let's go. Rizaya, wala kang sound, Day.
Dai!
No.
Ang tigol.
No, there's no audio, no.
Ay,
Reveal.
for those who don't know, later na nga, oy, 1 by 1 is by 2. I'm sorry. My brain is storms.
Rizaya, wala ka talagang sound. Uy. Alright. Get back. Ate Siti, so skip muna yan si Rizaya. Wala
Okay,
na siya.
let's go to contestant number 2. This is a newbie but legendary.
Grabe
Don't forget to favorite Rebex, the newbie but legendary.
Grabe siya.
Ganun.
Yeah,
Grabe
if you
yan.
guys don't know Rebex, she is the manager and floor manager for those singers in the other part of the world.
Other parts
Why-
of the
Why I'm
Yes.
doing this? I don't know.
here.
Another part of the world.
You know, like they said, actions speak louder than words. Yeah. So, accompanied with
With action talaga. The other part of the world. So ako pala yung other part of the world. Ganon. Ganon.
Anyway, hindi na natin patagalin kasi baka matanggal na naman yun.
Tagal na
Magaling.
eh. Oh.
Naiya ako.
Lalag na.
Ang galing na mga kumakanta. Oh my God.
Please
Oh, Huwag
welcome
kang ano-ano dyan. Diba? Ikaw na next.
Diba,
o, diba?
diba?
the manager and floor manager of the, ano nila? Chantur.
Chantu.
Shantu, yeah.
Chantu. Oh, slanger
Chantu.
sila.
Ipa-mute niya ako saglit.
Chantu.
Papakinggan ko lang
Chantu,
tong
yeah.
kanta.
Mute. Alright.
Revex again.
Thank you. Hope you like
Let's go.
The newbie but
Rebel.
legendary. And I thank
Legendary
you.
yan.
Naiya. Kaya. Oh
Let's
my
go.
God.
Huwag ka mahiya.
Okay. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. All songs on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does just tear me down. Oh, 'cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that you should have bought me flowers and held my hand. Should have gave me all your hours when you had the chance. Take take me to every party, 'cause all I wanted to do was dance. Now I'm dancing, baby, but I'm dancing with another man. Your pride, your ego, your needs, and your selfish ways. 'Cause a good, strong woman like me to walk out your life. Now I never get to clean the mess you made. Oh, and it haunts you every time you close your eyes. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that you should have bought me flowers. And you held my hand, should have gave me all your hours when you had the chance. Take me to every party, 'cause all I wanted to do was dance. Now I'm dancing, baby, but I'm dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that you were wrong. Oh, you know you're probably much too late to try and apologize for your mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope he bought me flowers. I hope he held my hand, give me all his hours when he had the chance. Take me to every party, 'cause I remember how much I love to dance. Do all the things you should have done when you were my man. Do all the things you should have done when you were my man.
Ah, G!
Thank you.
Sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Ha? Sino yan?
Ina nun.
You
When you were my man.
Yarn.
Who's
But
that?
it's just when we don't know the date, exact date.
Just when.
Thank you.
When is pulling
Thank
down.
you so much. Thank you so much, Rebek.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Rebek.
Oh,
Thank you.
dalas-dalasan mo. Next week sa akin naman.
Okay,
Doon naman
sige.
kayo.
You guys, just so you know, next week we're gonna do the same thing on Ate Marie's stream. So
Yes,
don't you
on my
forget to
stream.
subscribe, follow, and favorite.
Palo.
Yeah.
Bye.
Click the star notification. No, star emoji. No, there's no star.
Ano pa talaga? Story na yun.
Sorry, my eyes, my brain is doing a lot of stars.
Unmute mo si
Star
Ate
Wars.
City. Siya yung next mag-perform eh. Nakamute pa.
Ate City, can
Ate
you sing
City.
like that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, oh, what a wonderful voice.
I'm on the other stream. I'm on B stream. You can go there. B. All right. Ate City, welcome back here in the box. So,
O pag anong
wag na patagalin yan.
Wala pa
Wag na patagalin.
Game na.
Let's go. Next guest. All right.
Ay.
Thank you so much, Ate City.
Miski. Nandito.
Winter Wolf, you're here.
Hi, Winterwolf.
Mga nagkikita-kita lang kami.
Andun siya sa stream.
Si ano to? Si Ate Cloud.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of
Wala.
those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I
Sorry, I don't have money too.
I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions and try I will show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, yeah. This one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down words. How wonderful life is when you're in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked off the moss for the fear of the verses. Well, they got me quite cross, but the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but there's things I do. You see, I've forgotten if they are green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quiet, simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate City.
Woohoo! Ate City, congratulations, Captain, for the level up.
Thank you, thank you.
Level up,
Level up, level up, level up.
level up,
Level up,
yes.
level up.
Congratulations, level
There,
up.
there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this.
Okay. Congratulations for leveling up.
I'm gonna practice that song, level up. You
Ate
just
City,
wait.
tanggapin ko muna si ano ha.
Okay.
Crazy.
Yeah. Thank
Pwede na
you.
pwede na lang si
Thank you.
Kizia. Thank you so much, Ate City.
Kaya nga eh.
All right, we have another performer for tonight. Si Miss Maganda na yellow-green. Katulad ng phone ko, yellow-green. Oh.
Yellow green, yellow green. Hello everybody. Ako
Green
ulit.
yan na.
Me, my phone is purple.
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 This is
Nangyari.
purple.
Purple.
Sige.
I'm colorblind. Bakit ba?
Rizia, ba't ka kasi kanina ka pa na wala-wala, day?
Okay.
Ba't ka
You
na-
guys.
Wala siya. Sige.
Let's go, Miss
Ako na
K.
lang. Okay. Let's go.
Miss K.
Listen. Oh yeah. Listen. Bright lights, fancy restaurants, everything in this world that a man can want. Get a bank account bigger than the law should allow. Still I'm lonely now. Read the face This is from the covers of the magazines, from the covers to my covers, wanna lay with me. Fearing fortunes I can find, just a home and running out of time. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, and all of the money done in sure up again. Even though it seems I have my rap, I can think that I don't see that without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Without you, boy, listen, your perfume, your sexy lingerie, boy, I remember just like what it on yesterday. A Thursday, you told me you have been in love. I wasn't sure that I was. It's been a year, winter, summer, spring, or fall, but we're without you, just ain't living anything at all. If I could travel back in time, I believe the taste you were mine. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, and all of the money done amount to you. And I can make believe I have everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see that without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Yeah, without you, boy, my life. I just can't help loving you, but I love you much too late. I give anything and everything you say, that you say. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, and all of the money done amount to you. I can make believe I have everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see that without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, and all of the money that I want to you. Even though it seems I have everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see that without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Without you, boy, my life is incomplete. Truly, my life is incomplete. Thank you so much.
Thankfully, even if I don't have a boy, I'm still complete.
Yes. my head to toe, I'm complete. I have two hands, the left and the right. Charot. Bye bye.
Yes.
Thank you,
From
Miss
here to my
Kay.
ingron.
Mango, you box up na.
Mango
Next time, my
banana.
friend. Uy, why not? Ang galing kaya yun kumanta si Mango. Professional yun eh. So professional naman daw.
I am also a professional.
I'm
Premature.
Premature. Cloud, good evening. Winter Wolf pala. Ano yan nga?
I'm
Pangalan?
premational.
Naligaw ako, sorry, Ben. Naligaw ako kay Maris eh. Kala ko kay Maris.
Oh, naligaw siya dito. Sabi ko, dun ka.
Guys, don't forget next Saturday we're gonna do the same thing, but on Ate Maris we're gonna do it on Ate Maris stream.
next Saturday.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the star notification.
Wow.
Wrong.
Multiplication table. Hit the multiplication table.
Ayusin mo.
Take two. Shh. Don't forget to hit the star on mine. And favorite each other and follow, and give love on Christmas Day even if not Christmas. As long as there's a day.
Kala ko sabihin niya, hit the star on mine and hers is moon. Nako!
And let's go to Mars. Everybody.
Nasa Saturn pa ako. Sige
Okay.
na, let's go.
Next singer goes to Miss Winter. Winter Green. Winter Mike.
Winter Melon.
Ewan ko sa'yo ah. Ewan ko sa'yo, Ben.
Let's go. Mars or Maurice? Venus.
Venus.
Let's go.
Who have thought this is how the peace has been? You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far.
There are all
I believe we had reasons, but I don't know what they are. Don't blame it on my heart. The moon in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. And love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days. Still, it's a mystery of how you ever came to me. Which only knows the moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. We make plans, but love demands a lift of faith. So hold me close, never ever let me go. 'Cause even though we think we know which way the river flows, that's not the way love goes. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising when love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days.
mysterious ways.
Winter.
Winter, ganun. Huwag kang gamay
Ano lang,
ganyan, Brad.
madali ba?
Winter na lang, Brad. Huwag
Wag
naman.
yun. Winter na lang. Winter Wonderland. Uy,
Spaghetti Winter.
Love moves in
Everyone,
mysterious ways.
welcome to the Mongoland, the land of the ladies that full of Mongoloids. And
At last, after 15 years, si Crizaya makakanta na rin. Sko, kanina pa yan, up ng
finally,
sound.
finally, Krazaya.
Ah, wala pa ring
Oh.
sound ka. Oh, again.
Hello. Hello,
Hello,
Ibig.
mic test,
Hello,
mic
Garci.
test, mic test, mic test,
Hello.
mic test.
Garci.
Hello,
Wala.
Ibig.
No, there's no audio. No.
Hello, Ibig.
Ano ba nangyari sa kanya? Uy,
Yung,
Yeah.
maybe you put that in the different hole.
hello,
You're like that. You're
hello, hanta
Different hole.
Hoy, Krizaya, check the hole. Because you plug it in the different. You plug it in the different hole.
Asa nagabuhog ginosnak ni mo Crizaya?
Everyone,
Sana.
free to enter but not to exit. Don't forget to hit the star and favorite
Baka
each
mahindi
other
ka na
and
on. O
favorite
gyatay.
the every two and hit the star on
Every
me.
Yes.
Star me.
on her talaga.
Favorite every two. Two. This way, left and right.
Yes, two hands to left and right. Let's go. Chare,
Alright.
nakakantay natin tonight.
Oh, I like that.
The rocker, Chubby. Let's go.
Ako sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon nag-isa. Sana ay tabihan na. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. Ayoko mabuhay na malungkot. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya. Ganun ba? At makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo't bumukha ka. Bumiga.
Mga
Sa ilalim ng putilya, sa dilaw ng buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. damdamin aking damdamin. Sa ilalim ng putila, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, sa ilalim ng putila, sa dilaw ng buwan, pakinggan mo aking sigaw. Sa dilaw ng buwan, la 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 la, tagay na pre. Tagay pre.
Shot puno.
Kape lang kami. La 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 la.
Dali, cheers, Ate Cherry.
Cheers. Cheers. Alright, thank you so much.
Ayan.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you Bentot, Maris,
Yeah. Thank you, Ate
everybody.
Cherry.
Thank you so much. Mag-last 2 na. Oh, antok na ako.
Ate
Inaantok
City.
na.
Last 2 songs.
Lux.
Welcome, Laxi,
Hello.
to
Yeah.
the Mongoland.
Ano nga yung song
Talan.
na kinanta niya? Ano
Can you
yun?
sing my favorite song? The
Yeah. That's it.
Ay, go again?
The song, the favorite song of
Ay,
them.
Lux.
Please sing it.
Okay. Hi,
Love.
TTO.
Let's go,
Okay,
Lux.
I gotta sing.
Yeah, it's been a
Yes,
while. I
another one
haven't
first.
seen him. Oh yeah, I saw
No.
yun. Pupo pala. Pupo pala yun. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll sing
Favorite
that one
song of
first.
them.
I Not Believe.
Yeah.
Then you gotta sing Love on the Brain after.
Everyone get to know each other.
Okay.
Because I
Yeah,
know
please
I
fade,
not know
Lux.
you.
Lux is New Year, right?
Lux is New Year.
Let's go, Lux.
New
So
Year.
please fave everyone.
New
Can you hear the
Year.
music?
Yes.
Lux, you
A
transport
bit low.
here.
My voice is low.
The music.
The music's
Ay,
low.
nice to meet you too, Kalbu.
Louder. For the music. Quarter.
Tried
Turn
to
up.
hold me down. I became a soldier, built up all these walls. Now I'm climbing over those nasty beams, attempting me. Oh Lord, 'cause I ain't going back no more. It doesn't make me foolish. Told me I was wrong. Now she made you ruthless, manipulate. It's just too late. Oh Lord, 'cause I ain't going back no more. The fuel another flame's gonna show you what I'm made of. Breaking every chain that you put on me. You thought I wouldn't change, but I grew on you. 'Cause I will never be what you wanted. This fire's keeping me alive, making me believe I couldn't do without you. Make it hard to leave, you think it's all about you. You know I'll never be what you wanted. This fire tried to get this weight off of my shoulders, took up all my strength. I'm finally taking over and complicate. I don't appreciate, oh Lord, 'cause I ain't going back no more. Fuel another flame's gonna show you what I'm made of. Breaking every chain that you put on me. Thought I wouldn't change, but I grew on you. 'Cause I will never be what you wanted. This fire's keeping me alive, making me believe I couldn't do without you. Make it hard to leave, you think it's all about you. You know I'll never be what you wanted. This fire's keeping me alive, keeping me alive, keeping me alive. This fire, breaking me, shaking me, shaping me into what I never wanted. Breaking me, shaking me, making my being heart a little stronger.
Oh!
Oh, not yet. But thank you.
Not yet.
I'll give you a thumbs up when it's done. There's another part that I'll probably think you'll be over. Breaking every chain that you put on me. You thought I wouldn't change, but I grew on you. 'Cause I will never be what you wanted. This fire, keeping me alive. Breaking every chain that you put on me. Thought I wouldn't change, but I grew on you. I will never be what you wanted. This fire's keeping me alive, making me believe I couldn't do without you. Make it hard to leave, you think it's all about you. You know I'll never be what you wanted. This fire's keeping me alive, keeping me alive, keeping me alive. This fire, keeping me alive. All right.
Done? It's done.
Yes.
Okay.
Woo,
Yeah, it's
that's
done now.
fire.
Thumbs up.
My goodness.
Relax, can